What if your Microsoft Access database could understand plain English questions and instantly return the right records? With WSI's Natural Language Search Plus Q&A database template, you can. Instead of building complex filters, users just type, "Show overdue open tickets assigned to Sam." Instantly, the template interprets the request, runs the correct query, and displays results right inside Access. Unlike flashy demos, this template is built for the real world. Safe, scalable, ready to deploy. AI identifies what users want to know. Access handles how to get it, keeping your data local and protected. That means faster answers, lower training time, and better adoption across your team. Examples? Try show tickets for Acme Manufacturing, or what high-priority tickets are overdue. It even understands dates, like show tickets closed between January 1st and January 31st. Here's how it works. Type a question, AI identifies intent, and tells Access how to run the queries. Access displays results instantly. Your data never leaves your computer. WSI's approach combines AI power with local access control. You can extend this template for your business. Role-based search, multi-table joins, summaries, or SQL Server integration. WSI has built thousands of Microsoft Access systems that run organizations, not just demos. Try the free demo or schedule a live walkthrough to see it in action. Call 515-239-9900 or visit winningsolutionsinc.com today.